Whoa, what is that? All right, it's a beautiful day in December. We're gonna go pull the Buick out. You wanna do a cold start?
Yeah.
All right, here, you grab the camera.
But by the way, it was snowing the other day.
Yeah, now we're good. It's a nice day. Sun is out, and we're gonna do a cold start. So I'm gonna give you the camera. It's already recording. You just point it at the car. Okay. I'm gonna let it idle for like 15 seconds, and then I'm gonna pull it out. Okay?
Okay.
All right, you're my video guy today. So here you go. Grab the camera.
Okay.
All right. Now point it at me real quick. If this video part stinks, it's his fault.
No, it's not.
Point it at the car, okay?
Okay.
All right, you gotta be quiet during the cold start. All right, pointing at me, bro? What are you pointing at?
I'm putting it at the car.
All right.
I was putting it at the car.
Were you talking during the cold start?
A little.
Why?
I didn't know you're not supposed to talk.
All right, let's load up the car, and then we're gonna go meet up with Ralph, my buddy. You've seen him before in my videos. I got to drop him off something, and we might go take a ride. He's got a Cutlass G-Body Supreme, so we're gonna head out and ride with him for a little bit. Ready? Do you remember who Ralph is? Kinda.
I forgot when we were in the house before we started the video.
But now you remember?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, we need a little splash of fuel here. Wow, this beard is getting grizzly. I just realized that here, looking in the viewfinder. But I don't know if I'm talking too loud, but the wind from the T-tops is super annoying. It's just something I deal with when I drive this car because, again, I love T-tops. I'm okay with that. But we just got a splash at 93. We needed some fuel in here. But today is just a beautiful day. We don't often get days like this in December. So me and Enzo decided to pull the car out, go for a little ride, and why not meet up with a buddy and just enjoy the day. It's been a while. I haven't made a video in probably 6+ months, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I know I say that at the end of my videos, but you know, if you're still tuning in and I haven't made a video in that long, I do sincerely appreciate that. So do me a favor, hit that like button, and if you're new to this channel, I like to make G-Body content, particularly around my 87 Buick Regal Turbo T WE4, and I also have an 84 Monte Carlo SS that hasn't been on the channel in a while. That's going to be on the channel here soon. So stay tuned, and let's turn this shit around and do it. You smell that burning oil? Yeah, that's how us Buick guys roll.
It's either the Cutlass or this.
What's up, dude?
Good.
How are you? Long time no see.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Glad to see you.
Oh, dude, I wish you were out there helping me build that truck, bro.
Yo,
Sweet.
dude, that thing looks fun, man. So you just wipe it down the Cutlass?
Dude, she washed it.
While you were away, or before?
So okay, so
hold on, yeah, I gotta hear this one.
For her birthday, I got her like a super nice car cover for it.
So Ralph bought this for his girlfriend. I think I may have mentioned that earlier.
Yeah,
but
yeah. This is actually Melissa's Cutlass, not mine. So I got her a really nice car cover for it because I kind of ate up the whole garage space while I'm gone. Which, you know,
there is like no room in there, bro. It's packed to the gills.
It's packed.
Yeah, I can understand why you didn't want to pull nothing out. Yeah.
So I was like, I'm not even messing with taking anything out of here.
Dude, he's got no fucking room. Yo, that is tight.
Yeah.
They can't even see that. Hold on. Let me see if I can make it brighter.
I packed it in tight. I got a bigger cushion around the
so
BMW.
There you go. Wow.
I mean, you can pack it like that when you know you're not going to be digging through there for the next year. You can really jam it in there.
It makes sense, but Jesus.
So I tried to leave stuff that she might need up here, you know.
Sure.
But yeah, so I got her car cover for her birthday.
Okay.
And after I left, she came out here and spent like 2-3 hours washing the Cutlass. She made it like immaculate. Never put the car cover on it. Just walked away. Just walked away from it. I'm like,
pointless.
I'm like, why'd you clean it? And then,
might as well just put the car cover on it dirty at that point.
I wish I waited till you pulled up because she didn't scrub the front end at all, and there was literally a line right here where it was like
dripped?
Dark. It was just all dark dirt right there.
Yeah.
Just a square. You know, you could see the line across here where she wiped it.
What, you got Sam's detail wax?
Yeah, man, this stuff works pretty good.
Yeah, man.
I have a plethora of this because I'm constantly trying to win those dang Cletus giveaways, and I was
Did you
like,
get
"What better to buy?"
call yet, or what?
I don't know. I'm waiting for him to dial me in. I did buy the Christmas sweater.
There you
buy
go.
Santa bring me a turbo or whatever.
Nice. Good deal.
Which, who knows? Maybe I'll put a turbo on the truck just because I'll, you know.
That'd be fun.
I'll have the engine management for it, and
yeah,
I'm already looking at like a 488 solid axle.
Okay.
To replace the GM. I have a 12 bolt back there, but man, the pinion, dude, there's like.
Really?
Yeah, there's like a freaking.
Lot of play.
Like a quarter inch of like from side to side slap. I'm like, oh man. I haven't even taken the freaking the cover off the back yet.
Yeah, so go check out Ralph's garage here on YouTube. He's now building. What is it? What year is it?
It's a '64 GMC Stepside.
Okay. Pretty badass. It's patinaed to hell. I love the way it looks. I don't want him to paint it. He showed me a couple things that he showed me a couple pictures of, you know, what it would look like if it was in his mind done, but I just like the patina look, like the beat up Mater.
I would do the patina, except the one side had a bunch of dents. Like it must have been parked next to a golf driving range or something. And it just had like, yeah. So it had a bunch of dents, and the previous guy filled it with, you know, he smoothed it out and block sanded it.
Okay.
So there's like all these spots where you can see there's little divots that are filled with Bondo.
Yeah.
So I don't want to patina over that. Maybe I'll paint it and then distress it.
There you go. That'll work.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't want to make fake patina, but
yeah,
I wish both sides of it looked like the driver's side. Then I would just clear coat it.
Yeah, that'd be
walk
cool.
away.
But it was such a nice day out. Decided to pull the cars out and go for a little ride because it's not often we get days like this in December in New Jersey. So
yeah.
All right, so Ralph and I just did some catching up. Like I said, it's been a while since I've seen him, so we're gonna go take the cars for a ride. I'm trying to find a spot somewhere close to the Walt Whitman Bridge. Maybe fly the drone a little bit and get a little bit of scenery, throw it in this video. So we're gonna take the G-bodies out. We're gonna cruise because, again, it's a nice day. Why not, right? So as soon as he hangs up, we're gonna go. Find a spot to cruise to and fly the drone a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, man.
All right, let's do it.
Let's head out.
All right, cool. I like that hoodie. Thank you for it.
Oh yeah. No
Ralph got me one for Christmas, so that was cool, unexpected. I feel like a schmutz because I don't got nothing for him, so.
Friendship's good enough.
Oh, he's such a
The
sweetheart.
only person that drove to see me when I was home. I had to go visit everybody else.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. All right, let's get the Cuddy and the Buick here, the Regal.
Yeah.
Out on the road.
Leaning with it, looking like I'm always doing a wheelie, but
that's all right.
just chill.
You get that tire and the suspension figure out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it looks fine. You get that seat fixed.
Yeah, the seats.
Just having a little bit of issue with the seat, but that's all right.
It just got real. Say how you feel. Yeah, that's too bad. Off of my dick, I got him stressed out. Look at me, I'm blessed now. Tell him I'm the best out. Giving nothing less. You guess to see my third eye. You see my halo. Untamed, no cage, ho. Flip it through the payroll. I'm about my banknotes. Good look, they taking those. What if we waiting on? It's what I pray for, right? Black, tell them back. Just how I get my lick back. On the get back. They won't hear me get the last laugh. I'm the last. Standing all 10 in the grass patch. Running cash grab, yeah. I'm off the medicine. They on the sedatives. Finna settling. I'm him, no questioning.
Say bye to Ralph. Tell him we're heading out.
Later, dude.
All right, man. It's good seeing you.
Yeah.
Safe travels back to the AZ.
Yeah, I'll see you next time I come out, or if you want to come to Arizona.
I would love to come out there.
Yeah.
I think we're wrapping it up here from Gloucester City at Freedom Pier. We got some cool shots of the cars, the bridge. Yeah, it was fun. It was a good day. It was nice to get out and just cruise. I just want to make a short little video. Again, I haven't posted in a long time and apologize, but hopefully that's not going to be a continuous pattern. Hopefully I get some more stuff on my channel because Ralph's harping on me to do it, and I just know that I like to and I enjoy it. It's just a matter of finding time. So until next time, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, peace.
Keep it glacier, cut you off soon as I see the first sign that you're not for me, in alignment with the gods and the kings. And I want everything, bitch, I need that payoff. She say she wanna dip out to Barbados. I'm still trying to comprehend what's a day off. Been moving hella careful, you see what they did to take off. I'm protecting my peace, and I've been chefing this heat. I've been revving the pistons, I've been one with the vision. If somebody told you that they know me, then they